Hello! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to integrate Printful with Wix. First is to make sure that you have active accounts on both Wix and Printful. On Wix, ensure that you've added Wix stores, which is required for e-commerce functionality. Let's see Printful. So in Printful, go to Stores from the left navigation panel. Then select Choose Platform. Now here you have a couple of options. Go to Wix platform and hit the Connect button. And it's going to take you to the next window. In this window, hit Connect. Connect to Wix. And you'll be redirected to your Wix account where you will need to log in with your credentials. Click Allow. Now to start accepting orders, you need to publish your product to Wix. On Printful, head over to Dashboard, head over to Stores, and select your Wix stores. Click Add Product and choose the product you want to sell on Wix. Your new Wix store orders will now be automatically imported into Printful. Important, remember to configure your shipping settings on Wix. Now, if you want to do that directly in Wix, in your Wix dashboard or site editor, go to Apps and go to App Market. Search for Printful Print on Demand, then click Add to Site. Review the permissions pop up. Select Create a new account or connect existing one, then hit Add to Site. Once the app installs, Wix will prompt a redirect to Printful. Click Connect Store in your Printful dashboard, and you'll see your Wix store listed in Printful under Stores. That means you're successfully connected. In Printful, click Stores. Once you click on Stores, then here, click on your Wix store. Once you click on your Wix store, you see the Add Product button. Click on Add Product. Now browse the catalog, select a product, and upload or create your design using the Design Marker tool. Proceed through markups, write a compelling title and description, and set your retail price. Click Submit to Store, and now your product will automatically sync to Wix. In Wix, go to Settings, Accept Payment. Click on Accept Payment to set up your payment gateway. Go to Settings, click on Shipping and Fulfillment, and choose either Rate by Weight to match Printful's flat rate or free shipping and bake shipping cost into your product price. Now head back to Printful, click on More. In the left navigation panel, click on Billing, click on Billing Method. Then add a credit card or PayPal. This enables automatic processing as orders come in. Now when a customer orders from Wix store, Printful automatically receives the order and handles the production and shipping under your brand. You only pay Printful when the order is processed. No inventory, no upfront costs. So go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped you search.